was very impressed with this fireplace. It heats really well and it's pretty quiet considering it blows out hot air. You can rest assured that this fireplace is very high quality, and personally I think that it's very pretty. It's made of like a matte black metal, and the doors open and have real glass on the inside, which I thought was such a nice touch. I especially love the pretty detail on the sides. It comes with a remote that you can use to operate it, but there are also manual buttons on the inside if you open the doors. By changing color A, you can change the color of the flames, and there are 4 different options. And then by choosing color B, you can change the color of the wood, and there are 4 different options for that, and you can see which option you're on in the display that is on the unit. So you can also change the speed of the flame. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So lots of ways to customize it. There's also 5 different options for dimming the light of the flame, and you can use the flame feature without any of the heat. There is a little bit of assembly required, but it is super simple because all you have to do is put the 4 feet on, and they include the screws that you'll need, but you'll just have to grab a Phillips head screwdriver. It took me less than 3 minutes to get the feet on. I definitely highly recommend this fireplace.